In today's video, I am going to teach you how to clear all cache and junk from Windows 11 and Windows 10. By the end, you will know how to safely remove temporary files, old system clutter, and app caches to free up space. And keep your PC running smoothly. We'll start with disk cleanup. A built-in Windows utility that targets common junk like temporary files and leftover installation data. Press the Windows key and R together to open the Run dialog. Type cleanmgr and press Enter. When prompted, choose your Windows drive, which is usually C, and click OK. The tool will scan and present a list of file categories. Check the boxes for the items you want to remove, such as temporary internet files, recycle bin, and temporary files. If you are unsure about a category, hover over it or read the description to confirm it's safe to delete. When you are ready, click OK, then choose Delete Files to confirm. This won't touch your personal documents or photos, it only targets system and cache clutter. Next, we'll manually clear out temporary folders where apps and Windows accumulate short-term data. Press Windows and R again, type temp, and press Enter. A folder will open. Press Ctrl and A to select everything. Then hold Shift and press Delete to permanently remove the selected files. If Windows tells you a file is in use, click Skip and continue. Some items are actively being used by apps and can't be removed right now. And that's normal. Repeat this exact process for 2 more locations using the Run dialog, type prefetch, and then type %temp%. The prefetch folder stores launch data that Windows rebuilds automatically, and %temp% points to your user's temporary files. If you see any access prompts or warnings, simply approve or skip when appropriate. You are only clearing caches, not system-critical components. To keep things tidy going forward, enable Storage Sense so Windows can handle routine cleanup for you. Open Settings by pressing Windows and I. Go to System, then Storage. Turn on the Storage Sense toggle. This allows Windows to automatically remove temporary files and empty the recycle bin on a schedule, reducing the need for manual cleanups. If you'd like a quick one, time sweep. Click Cleanup Recommendations in the same area to review and remove larger temporary items without hunting through folders. With these steps, you've cleared system junk using disk cleanup, removed accumulated temporary files from multiple folders, and set up ongoing maintenance with Storage Sense. You should notice some free space reclaimed and potentially snappier performance, especially if it's been a while since your last cleanup. Thanks for watching.